Hey y'all, how y'all doing? We at Artist about to get some groceries. I think the strawberries. Are we getting them grapes, the mixed grapes or no? Okay, some onions. What else? We gotta get some bread. I just went to Artie's right fast after he got off work, so I got a loaf of wheat and honey wheat bread. There it goes. That's going in here. Here. I got bacon. Hold on, Mom. I got 2 dozen of large eggs. I have some Bake Shop cinnamon rolls. I have 2 Chobani yogurt cream cheese for the bagels. I got some green tea as well as honey. Beef flavored rice, vermicelli, and chicken flavored. Hot dogs, kielbasa, some hash browns, some dog treats, a bag of onions, a bag of cucumbers, a bag of, I done went and got some prunes. I got 2 things of chicken strip buffalo flavored. I also got sweet mushroom, kale, and bacon pizza. I have a 5 cheese pizza, and I have a pizza supreme. All right, I am home. Let's see. I went to Home Goods and got a few things I wanted to show you guys. Now this was in the Halloween section only because of this spatula. I got this for $6. I got this. Bentley! Oh no, you didn't just leap up on my I got this for $6, y'all. I got these. They were $2.99. I got them for $1.99 each. The oil dispensers, they leaking. So I got me some screw top instead of the push kind. So I got 2 of these. Let's see, how many ounces? 8 ounces in each one. Look.
Hey, Bill, sit.
Do y'all see that? Okay, let me get it. 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 Do y'all see that? That is an OG beer and beverage tower with removable ice tube. Okay? You put the tube in there and freeze it. You put the tube in there. Let's open. Let's open. We finna open. It was at Home Goods, and then when I went back to get it, it was gone. And honey, today when I went in there, I saw it. I know you did. Okay. Y'all see that? And then you just open this. And then it got liquid in it. And you freeze it. Can this come off? I don't think so. I'm not sure. I don't have the papers in the bottom. But yeah. I don't think you can take it off. I'm not sure. But I'm not going to mess with it like that. But yeah. You freeze it. And then you just pour the beer in there. And then you sit it on top. Oh, you did it. And it holds up to 88 ounces. Up to 88 ounces, y'all. Like, what? Yeah, this would be for like a little get together, a game day or something. And he just fill it up with beer. Oh, I can't wait. Isn't that cute? So cute. I'm gonna put this back in the box. Yes, I am. Thank you guys. Please hit that like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. See you guys later. Hey y'all, good morning. It is Monday. I just wanted to show you guys my new lunch bag I got from Home Goods. It is 5:15 in the morning, but I got me an Echo One insulated lunch tote set. It was $16.99. Okay, it's nice and big. It has an ice cooler. It has 2 regular size containers, and it also has 2 mini containers, and it's insulated on the inside, and it has a pocket. Very nice. I'm about to wash these because I'm about to make me some lunch very fast. And yeah. Alright y'all, I'm up early. Hey y'all, I am at home. I am about to load my jars up with some snacks. So I went to Home Goods and got a few things for my grandson for his boo basket. And I just got a few things for the house as well. How y'all doing? It is what, Friday? Jesus. So we're gonna put the taffy with the packaging on it in these jars. And then the rest are going in the jars with the lid. Oh, I'm sorry. Ooh. These are some sweet Stay Fair taffy. Here, this up. Okay, that's those. And let's see, I'm gonna put these in there. These are some Healthy Handful all natural roasted coconut cashews. And then I want to put these in there, some of them at least. These are Truvia bite-sized snack wafers with hazelnut. These are really good for the babies. Snack on. And then I don't know if I should do the spice griddle or these. I think I'm gonna do the Taylor's pumpkin spice griddle. Okay. All right, so I got some these left, little snack. So I got all of these. Snacks for the weekend. One here. One there. And sorry boy. And that is it, guys. I got my snacks up there.